This is all you need for installation. A drill with the 3/16" drill bit, a T27 drill bit, and a level. First, identify the side panel you will be installing your lock on. The template is labeled driver's side and passenger side. Line up the template with the edge closest to the liftgate. Once the template is lined up, drill into the top hole only. Ensuring the lock opens into the bed, place the screw into the top hole and screw into the bed wall. Using a level, ensure the lock is straight. Using the bottom hole as a guide, drill the bottom hole. Using the T27 drill bit, secure the bottom hole into the bed with a screw. Take the open end of the strap and slide it through the slit. Pull all the way through until you get to the loop. Slide the open end through the loop and pull tight. Take the end of the strap and slide it through the lock and pull all the way through. Repeat the same process on the other side, and you are now ready to use the cargo valet.